Yo, my name is David. My family, my wife, and my 4-year-old son are headed to Disney next week, Disney World to be specific. And like a lot of people, I went to YouTube to see, hey, what is everybody packing? What is everybody's everyday carry for while at the park? I didn't really see anything that spoke to me or what I thought I would be bringing, so I decided let me try and make my own. Let me know what you think. All the items will be linked below in the description below, and let me know if I left out anything. First up is what I'll be carrying everything in. This is the Bellroy Light Sling. It's black. I think the official color is called Shadow. I don't know the exact measurements of how many liters it carries, but it's big enough to carry my mirrorless camera, an extra lens, and with plenty more. And it has a little bit of stretch to the material. Has a little bit of stretch to it. It's not waterproof, but it is water resistant, and it does have waterproof zippers. And there is a smaller pouch on the front, which is for your easily accessible items such as your wallet, your phone, and maybe like a phone charger. I typically wear it like crossbody. I don't like wearing it like a fanny pack or a hip pack. Kind of like across my chest, something like this. We will have a stroller with us where we can put some of our bigger items. Like I'm still carrying a backpack and stuff, but like when I'm on a ride and we have to leave our stroller behind, this is what I'm bringing onto the ride with me. Next part of my everyday carry is going to be my camera. I've been into photography for a long time, and this is the Sony A7 III. With this lens, it's fairly compact. This is the Zeiss 35mm f2.8. It's pretty small considering. It's really powerful. I mean, I know how to use this with my eyes closed. If you know Sony, you know it's a great camera overall. It does fit in my Sling, and I've got it on a Peak Design strap that's going to go around my neck. I just want to have it ready to go and not have to worry about pulling it out of my Sling anytime I want to take a photo. I want to wear it around my neck and have it ready to go. I know I'll be kind of looking like a tourist, but then again, everybody there is. Next up on the list is 3 products, all by Anchor. This is not sponsored. I purchased these all by myself. I just really like some of their products. They're great for travel, and yeah. First of all, this is like a charger. It's great for the hotel room where you're not going to have that many outlets. And my wife and I can share this. I can charge up my son's iPad and everything all from one charger. And as you can tell, might be able to read, this is a GaN charger, which means it's gallium nitrate, which means essentially that it can charge things really quick. It outputs a lot of power. So it's got 2 USB-Cs, a USB-A, and 2 regular American outlets or North American outlets. And the next Anchor product is, speaking of charging, is this Anchor Magsafe battery pack. And my wife and I both use iPhones, so all you gotta do is if you have a Magsafe phone, pop it right on. It's charging, and it's also got a little kickstand. So on the airplane or at a restaurant at the park, if my son is getting a little fussy, I can pop on a video for him, and it even works in landscape mode. This charges via USB-C, and it's got a set of lights here on the side that tell you how much battery you've got left. This has about 5,000 milliamp hour battery size, so that means it'll probably charge your iPhone like 13 or 14 up to like 80%, which is good. I feel like my phone has great, I have an iPhone 14 Pro that's great battery life, and I just know that this will make sure that no matter what happens, I'm fully charged the whole time I'm at the park. And the last Anchor product I've got is a cable, actually. This is, on one end it's USB-A, and on the other end you can choose between micro USB, and if you want lightning, you can just pop this on and it becomes a lightning charger. And if you want micro USB, you can just pop this on and it will become micro USB, a USB-C charger. So with this, this one cable, I can charge, not at the same time, but with one cable I can charge my iPhone, my battery pack, my son's tablet, which is also USB-C, and with micro USB I can charge my camera. So I don't have to worry about bringing 10 cables everywhere I go, trying to remember every exact cable and power brick. So I've got my power brick here with my multi-outlet cable. This kind of just minimizes the amount of things I've got to pack. Next on the list is something kind of near and dear to my heart. I'm a bald man, so in order to protect my dome, I've got from my EDC, it's a hat by Melin, M-E-L-I-N. This is called the A-Game Hydro, and it's basically a waterproof, breathable, UV blocking hat. I've used it in the pool many times because I don't like lathering my head with sunblock because it starts turning white. I just look kind of weird. So in addition to some light sunblock, I wear this hat. It's perforated so my head stays cool and dry and out of the sun. I did wash it and it gave me this stain after I washed it. It looks like a sweat stain, but it's really not. I'm not sure, but either way, it works great for the few times I'm in the pool and, at a place like the park where I don't know if I'm going to be on a water ride or if it's raining or whatever the case may be. This is a good hat. It takes a good beating. It's actually really expensive. I think I paid almost $60 for this, but it's, if you've got a haircut like mine, this is great for your head. It keeps your head dry, whether you're at the hotel pool or in the park and it's raining or just out of the sun and you want to keep cool as well. This is a great hat, Melon. Next on the list are sunglasses, and these are by a company called Cagliati. I think I'm pronouncing that right. I'm going to drop in a video in this section because I've recorded a screenshot from Amazon because they're currently in my car as we speak. They come in brown and black, and there's a lot of options you can choose. This is $20 for 2 pairs, and these are 100% UV blocking and they're polarized, so they're great for driving as well as just regular use. For $20 you get 2 pairs, so I'm not worried about dinging them up, damaging them, or even losing them at the park because it's easily replaceable and they're great glasses. I've had multiple pairs of glasses, expensive brands from Sunglass Hut, and these are honestly, I couldn't tell the difference. These are high quality glasses. These are not like the cheap gas station glasses, and for $20 it's a steal for 2. I highly recommend using them even if you're not going to the park. I think these are great everyday driving glasses, washing glasses, or just outdoor glasses, period. So give it a shot. These are Cagliati polarized glasses. These are unisex as well. All right, next part of my everyday carry is going to be my watch. I don't plan on bringing my Apple Watch. I do enjoy an Apple Watch, but it's just one less thing to charge. I don't want to charge it every day. I know I'll already be charging up my Magic Bands, my phone, my Magsafe charger, and all this other stuff. So this is my G-Shock watch. It used to be kind of like a real clear. Now it kind of yellowed a little bit, but other than that, this watch is pretty much bulletproof. It's solar powered. It's got atomic time, and I essentially never have to set the time, and I never have to replace the battery. I've had this for probably 6, 7, 8 years now, and I've never had to replace the battery, never had to do any service on it. Yeah, it looks a little bit dingy now that it's yellow, but you know, I kind of like it. It kind of, the off-white kind of vintage look is kind of in, and I'm digging it. And it's really comfortable. I don't have to worry about charging my watch or dinging it up. This watch is like rock solid, and I don't have to worry about it. And I know it's all, I can wear it in the pool. I can wear it if I'm going on a wet ride or in the sun at night. It's great. I highly recommend it. It's a Casio G-Shock again, solar and atomic time. I'll try to drop a link if they still sell it. But other than that, it's a great watch. And it's anytime I go anywhere, this is my travel watch. Next up is the wallet I'll be using. This is the Bellroy flip case. It's kind of a minimalistic front pocket wallet. Actually, as you might be able to tell, it's hard to the touch. It's got like a leather type of feeling, like a plasticky leather. It's got 2 sections. The first section holds maybe 5 or 6 cards. The other section holds maybe 2. As far as when I go to Disney, I'll probably just be carrying my driver's license, my credit card, and maybe a debit card. But that's about it. I'm trying to bring as little as possible, and it's been a great wallet so far. I've had it for about 6 months now, and I really like it. Even outside of Disney, this is my regular everyday carry wallet. And last but not least are the shoes I'll be wearing. I'm kind of a sneakerhead. I've got lots of Jordans and Air Max and a couple of Ultra Boosts and, you know, a lot of expensive shoes. And this shoe is the New Balance Fresh Foam 1080. And I gotta be honest, these are the most comfortable shoes I've ever worn. Whether these are actually running shoes, but man, these, I'm never buying Ultra Boosts again. These are unbelievably comfortable. I mean, you're not gonna, words don't do it justice. You've got to try it, and literally the first step is amazing. I bought them about a week and a half ago. I'm just trying to break them in as much as I can before the trip. I'll probably also be bringing a pair of Crocs just in case it rains, so that my shoes and socks aren't soaking because we'll be walking like 15-20 miles a day, and I don't want wet socks and shoes, so I'll bring a pair of Crocs as well. But again, New Balance Fresh Foam 1080s. Even outside of Disney, just buy these for regular use. They aren't cheap. I think I paid around $130, $140, but if you're in the market for shoes, I'm going to be recommending these to all my friends and family. And that does it for my Disney World everyday carry video. I know it's a little out of the ordinary from my usual gaming content, but you know, I'm trying to break out of the usual stuff. But let me know what you think. Did I leave anything out? Do you agree with everything I brought? These are the things that I want to share with you guys, and I think they're all great products. Again, all the links for everything will be in the description below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.